Hello, welcome to University. Today we're going to be Hello, welcome to University. Today we're going to learn how to solve this problem on sine rule. They say solve for angle B and side B. That's capital letter B, small letter b, for a triangle in which angle A is 81, angle C is 42 degrees, and side A is 9.3 cm. So let's start. Solution. Please, before you start solving for triangles or parts of triangle for sine or cosine rule, whichever you're doing, please make sure you draw your diagram. That will help guide you as you solve. So let me just make a freehand sketch of a triangle like this. And then I'll call this my A, my B, and my C. Now they say that the angle formed at A here is 81 degrees. The angle formed at C here is 42 degrees. Then side A is 9.3. What is side A? The side opposite angle A, that's this place here. What side B? The side opposite B here, and side C is here. So they say side A is 9.3 cm. So with this now, we have been asked to find this part here, B, and this part here. Let me just mark it like this. We have been asked to find here and here. So we can start. Now we know that for our basic concept of trigonometry, there is a rule that we all should know, which is what? Total angle in a triangle. And now total angle in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. That means logically, if I should add 81 plus 42 plus this side, all should be equal to 180. So let's use that principle now to find B. We'll say for angle B, that's the angle at B, we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C all equal to 180. Why? Sum of angles in a triangle. What's the value for angle A, which is 81 plus B plus, what's our C there? 42, all should be equal to 180. Now let me add my numbers together. I'm going to have that B plus 81 plus 42. That should give us 123 equal to 180. So we have our B here equal to 180 minus 123. So our B here will be equal to 57 degrees. As simple as that. Now we have found our B. The next we have to do is to find our side B. This is angle B. Next we have to find side B. Let me write this properly. Angle B. So now we say for side B, here we have to deploy here we have to deploy our sine rule. And what does sine rule states? It says that A over sine A equal to B over sine B equal to C over sine C. These are the sides up and these are the angles down. Now when you want to use the sine rule, you have to find one of the families here. We have the A family, the B family, and the C family. You have to find one that is complete You now use the one that is complete to find the one that is incomplete. So let's ask ourselves now, we want to find for side B rather, which of these sides are complete? Is it A, B, or C? If we look properly, we see that we have angle A, we have side A. So the A's are complete. What about for the B? Look at the A's here. Angle A is 81, side A is 9.3. Then we've calculated for our angle B here, which is what? 57. Now what is missing? It is side B. So we're going to use the A and B. We can write it like this: A over sine A equal to B over sine B. We can do it this way. So what's my A there? My A is 9.3 divided by sine 81 equal to, what's missing here? B. So no value for that yet. All over sine B. What's my sine B? 57 degrees. So at this point, let me see, keep the diagram here. At this point, we can cross multiply. I'll say here, cross multiply. Please take it. I want to make B the subject of the formula. So this will go up here to multiply this. It becomes 9.3 times sine 57 equal to B times sine 81. This can be written as 9.3 sine 57 equal to B sine 81. Now from here, we still want to make B sort of formula. So we have to divide both sides by what? Sine 81. I'll say divide both sides by sine 81. So we're going to have this as 9.3 sine 57 divided by sine 81 equal to B sine 81 divided by sine 81. What happens here? Sine 81 cancels sine 81. Please, for the sake of space, I'll wipe this up. And then we have here that B is left for this part, and here is 9.3 sine 57 all over sine 81. Once you've made B solve the formula, you can start the calculations. So let's go. We have for the numerator 9.3 sine 57. You can press the calculator too. We have the numerator as 7.7996 divided by, is equal to B here, divided by, what is sine 81? 0.9877. So we can divide this. We have 7.7996 divided by 0.9877. And our answer is 7.8967 equal to B. So our B, if this is equal to B, then B2 is equal to this, right? Yes. So this is 7.8967 6, 7. But because our sides were given to us to 1 decimal place, I can also make this to 1 decimal place, which should be B equal to 7.9 cm. I know some of you will be asking me, how did I get this? Well, it's very simple. If you have 7.8967, you want to approximate to the first decimal place, which is this. Check the next number after it. If the next number is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you are going to add 0 to that place you're approximating. But if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, you add 1. So in this case, what's the next number after 8? This is 9, right? So for 9, we add 1 to 8. 1 plus 8 is what? 9. Once you've done that, every other number after that approximated position turns to 0. 9 becomes 0, 6 becomes 0, 7 becomes 0. And then every other number before the point, or before that decimal place, rather, will be the same, which is 7. That's why we have 7.9. The rest are insignificant figures. So please, on your own, you can try other examples from your textbooks, from the internet, and so on. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, to like, comment, and share. See you in our next clip.